You have to stay still.
Why?
Because that's how it's going to move. Sit down on the floor. You don't have to do it. Oh, he's stuck. Can I help him?
No, I got it.
Okay.
Full force. No.
Don't worry. You don't have to if you don't want to. He's stuck on the carpet. I'll get some to help him. Can he move? Just do it, babe.
No, just do it. I'm not doing it. Do it like Nike. No, just do it. I can't.
Drive the spider.
Do it. I'm not. He is strong enough.
He is strong enough?
Yeah. Wait, he's
Spider, I double dog dare you. I double dog dare you to pull Stella's tooth out.
Then I quadruple dog dare you. You have to give me your credit card.
What?
It's still on my tooth.
Is he stuck?
Yes. I've done this before.
On it.
Do I have to?
Yes.
Here you go. 3, 2. No. I knew she was gonna back out. Should I?
It's up to you. You're in charge.
I'm gonna back out last second. That's what you always do.
You're in charge. Got it. Drive the golf cart. Oh, you don't have to. I know you're scared. You don't have to. Oh, okay. Let's stop.